Today's episode of Under 2 Minutes, we are going to go over clipping masks. Now, what a clipping mask is, or the way I want you to think about a clipping mask, is that it is a window for shapes or objects inside that you will be looking through. So, your top object, in this case, it's going to be my star, is going to be the window, and the colors are going to be what we're looking at through that window. So, let me show you what I mean here. If I overlap this star and have it be the top shape, we're going to make this star that window, and you can do that two ways. You can either highlight and select everything, right click, and hit Make Clipping Mask, or go to Object, down to Clipping Mask, and click on Make. Now we're just going to hit the Make button here since we're already there, and I will jump right in and show you. When I hit Make, it has now made this star that window, and inside that window are all the colors that were overlapping each other underneath. So this star is your perspective, or the bounding border of your window, and we are looking through it at what is underneath. Now I can move this star around and it's going to keep everything in place, but if you wanted to change your perspective, you can just go into isolate mode and then move this border around, and it's going to keep that bounding box but change where you're looking at through it. So that's all there is to a clipping mask. It is just a window for everything that's on the inside. As you can see here, I have all the colors, but this star has become that window. And there you have it. Easy clipping mask, and you are done.